Shit, fuck.
Bro, I hope ain't nobody in that house, dog.
Right?
Look, the whole house is in the street, nigga.
Get out of the house! Out of the house! Out of the house! This thing's gonna collapse in on itself any minute now.
I don't know what's this.
Shit. Actually, I believe I'm looking at pieces of this house right here.
Bro, my cat jumped in all that. Look, that's all the pieces of the house.
I believe so.
Oh my God. Somebody's house just blew up.
And the neighbors weren't even probably asking for it. Oh wait, is that the same house or one house?
Oh my God, that's the one house disappeared.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
That bitch disintegrated.